Title SEO for cleaning services, the neighborhood strategy that gets more calls. Most cleaning companies are trying to rank in an entire city. That's exactly why they're losing. Let's say you serve Dallas. If you're trying to rank for house cleaning Dallas, you're competing with hundreds of companies. Most small cleaning businesses never win that battle. The companies getting the most leads are doing something different. Instead of targeting one big city keyword, they're targeting neighborhoods. Think: 1. House cleaning Highland Park. 2. Maid service Lakewood. 3. Deep cleaning University Park. Here's why this works. Google Maps rankings are heavily influenced by proximity. A homeowner in Highland Park is more likely to see businesses that have strong relevance to Highland Park, not just Dallas. That's why a company with fewer reviews can outrank a larger competitor in specific neighborhoods. Most cleaning businesses completely miss this. Here's what I'd do today. List your top 10 neighborhoods. Create a dedicated service page for each one. Add photos from jobs completed in those areas. Ask customers to mention their neighborhood in reviews. For example, great move-out cleaning service in Lakewood. Those location signals add up. Once you've optimized those neighborhoods, the next step is tracking where you actually rank. Most businesses only check rankings from their office and miss what's happening across the city. That's why tools like localrankings.ai can help you see which neighborhoods you're dominating and which ones need work. Because in local SEO, winning a few neighborhoods often generates more leads than trying to rank for an entire city.